must present a criminal record certificate. Other parts of the borders may still have unexploded landmines.
In 1941, 3 adventurers completed the Pan American Highway in a wildly unsuitable car. Now, we're retracing their steps in an even more unsuitable choice, a school bus. We bought the bus, spent a month building it, and now, along with a motley crew of friends, hitchhikers, and strangers, we're setting out to explore how the cultures, landscape, and the journey itself have evolved over the past 75 years. If successful, we'll be the first to navigate the full length of the Pan American Highway in a school bus. There's no support crew, just us, our bus, and the wildest adventure we've ever attempted.
A state of emergency has been declared in the entire northern border region to avoid crowds, monitor situations, blah blah blah. You must present a criminal record certificate from the country where you lived for the last 5 years.
I do have it, but I have it just scanned version from Czech Republic, and I don't know if that's enough.
Other parts of the borders may still have unexploded landmines.
And it looks like you have to upload like a birth certificate. Yeah.
So this is the new killer then.
Yeah.
Well, this is a pickle.
Either we will stand out as like overseas tourists and we're fine and they'll let us in, or they'll ask us more questions.
Absolutely, just try and let's do it.
Yeah.
And there's an what by the worst we're gonna have to do? Turn around and then.
Yeah, exactly.
I know there's something to say for how this feeling will fade. Oh, how I wish you would stay until the end of my days. The lows, the highs, the way you glow, you change your mind, you free your soul.
Oh my God.
Feel that vibe like a summertime lightning. Living without you feels like dying. I don't wanna be alone. If you're with me, come on with me. Got the whole world singing with me. I don't wanna be lost. The eyes, the way you glow, you change your mind, you free your soul. Feel that vibe like a summertime lightning. Living without you feels like dying. I don't wanna be alone.
Okay, so we are here playing tejo, kind of like bowls or petanque or bocce ball or one of the two, except you try to blow up those little packets of explosives. Blow them up and you gain more points.
You have me feeling grounded but astrological. Tell me why I can feel it in my particles. Like Barry Allen, I'm accelerating while I glow. I'm prodigal. I kinda like you, so I purchased you a particle. Why you looking at me like you see me beautiful? I'm Spike Spiegel, bounty hunter with a lot of dough. I do the most. It's a mutual.
Get a little bit of fiber and wax in your diet. Where did this paper come from, Michelle?
Well, this is what was left from my sandwich. The rest I ate.
I'm ready to take my wings, so I'ma fly high.
Now begins the great faff of trying to get out of this teeny tiny town. Showing Ellie on the back. Joe's got left, I got right, and Joel is driving. I wish us luck. It's almost as if these roads weren't built for a 40-foot bus. How selfish of them.
So I'ma fly high.
Like that.
So I'ma fly.
I think this is the first, like driving to Salento, I think this is the first time we've actually taken the bus somewhere where the roads and everything just is not designed for something of our length. Like all the other buses that we were seeing, like there are width and they're big, but they're not nearly as long. They're probably a quarter less or half the size, especially on these little windy roads. Coming in and out of the city. I'm so glad that we didn't drive to the valley, but like,
Oh my god.
yeah, it's it's still tight. So, but we did it and it's fine. So this is just a lesson to go forward. Kind of cool though that it took us to Colombia for that to happen. Shows you what you can do with a bus.
The stars align. My future prospect got me feeling hella starry-eyed. A supernova bright and beautiful that I'm inside. I swear I've never felt so close to my zodiac sign. Let's take a ride. I wanted to kiss you, but I'm afraid that I'm a joke.
We've been driving for 9-10 hours today, and we finally got to the place we were planning for, but as often happens, it was closed, so we can't plan for that. And the plan is to move forwards and hopefully bump into a random restaurant along the way, parking in return for a drink of theirs or something, and we will see. And on the side of the highway somewhere in Colombia, we've ended up here. They said if we have dinner, we can put our tents up in the back. They got toilets all night. The bus has done a great job. Good job, Babs. And we have a little table and basically the restaurant to ourselves.
So I'ma fly high.
I think they go.
Maybe,
Isn't it nice when the people go away? Only you and me and the rest they go astray.
That's a lot of fucking coffee.
and then we're splitting this anyway, so I will do this in half.
Oh shit!
Joel, you okay for me? 3 seconds. Oh, oh.
Steady. Steady. Steady.
I believe in me.
Bounce to the Isn't it nice when you bounce to the rhythm if you know you got it flow? Take a step away and give me a show. Why the fuck you care about people over there? You got what you need, so you better.
Oh wow. And that's fuel everywhere.